When minimalist travel is the goal, you need everything to fit into one bag. So what do you do when you don't want to reduce the number of items you pack? You find petite versions to bring instead. Today, we're suggesting 8 tiny travel products you'll want for your next trip, starting with the best way to get some rest. Loop makes some of our favorite earplugs to block noise from the plane, but the Loop Dream has a different design, making them more comfortable to wear when you lay down to sleep. As you might guess from the name, the Dreams are designed to be your nighttime companions with the best noise cancellation Loop offers at the time of recording and a more comfortable oval shape for sleeping on your side. These reusable earplugs offer 27 decibels of signal-to-noise reduction, which muffles sounds like those from snoring travel companions or the teenagers partying late into the night in the hotel room next door. The foam and silicone plugs are soft inside your ear and come with 4 different tip sizes, from extra small to large, so you can find the right fit. Loop also sends a carrying case for your earplugs and tips so you can keep them dust-free on the bedside table during the day, though they're easy to clean when you need to after a few nights of use. While they're designed for shut-eye, they're not just for sleep. If your travel plans include a concert or fireworks show, they can also protect your ears from loud noises. That's handy even for your flight, where the engine noise can reach 140 decibels during takeoff. Next up is a tiny case to hold your medication. You know, if you ever forget to wear those earplugs to a show and need a pain pill to help you recover. It also comes in clutch if you need allergy meds while you're traveling. There's a good chance you've seen the sleek and shiny Ikigai cases on your Instagram feed. We have to say, marketing aside, the aluminum alloy construction really does feel more premium than other pill organizers and cases. The Nano pill case only has 1 compartment, but it still functions the same as any other pill case. The top slides to the end of the compartment and clicks into place so you don't drop it. However, it doesn't block any of the openings, so you have full access to all of your pills at once. We've been able to fit 16 small round 200 milligram tablets or 12 oblong 500 milligram tablets inside, which should be enough for your just-in-case meds or all of your vitamins for a short trip. The durable metal material will last a lifetime and is tiny enough to slip into your pockets or toiletry bag, though you'll want to opt for the 3-compartment mission pill case or the weekly pill case if you need to bring more than a dozen or so tablets. You may want to try a small sling when you need to carry more gear and your wallet. The CODEOFBELL ANNEX Case 2 has wallet-like organization plus space for a little more gear. There are 8 card slots against the back panel of the main compartment and 3 elastic bands against the front to hold short cords, a flashlight, or a chunky battery bank. Behind those is a zipper pocket where you can stash your passport with a pen holder above it. In the middle is a large zippered space for other tiny travel essentials, like earplugs and a memory card, and you can slot your phone into the space on either side of it. Since there are gussets on both sides, you don't have to worry about anything not locked down in a pocket slipping out when you open it, so you have a little more room to play with. A daisy chain on the front allows you to connect bulkier gear like hand sanitizer or even a collapsible water bottle in case you need hydration, and a front pocket is a good spot for items like your keys and earbuds, though it lacks the organization of the main compartment. The sling is wrapped in waterproof, recycled eco-pack and features AquaGuard coatings on the YKK zippers, so you don't have to hide it away when it starts to rain. There's a daisy chain of thicker webbing on the backside if you want to connect it modularly to another bag. You can carry it horizontally or vertically depending on which of the 4 D-rings you connect the strap to, or leave it behind to carry the sling by hand. On the other hand, if you want a minimalist wallet option that can still carry cash and fits in your pocket, check out SlimFold's smallest option. The Nano shell is 3/8 of an inch shorter than the Micro and 3/4 of an inch shorter than the original. While it's narrow enough to fit in many pockets, that minimalism comes at a small price. The Nano is shorter than US dollar bills, so you have to fold them to fit into the rear pocket. However, we don't always need to carry cash, and the Nano holds up to 8 cards if you use all of its available card slots. 1 is clear for your ID, and the SlimFold Nano includes RFID protection to block data thieves from skimming your wallet. The soft shell material is durable and waterproof, and SlimFold describes it as a mix of Gore-Tex and Kevlar. It's much lighter than leather and still feels nice to hold, although it's a bit on the rough side. Still, weighing in at just half an ounce, it's a great option if you're looking to cut your carry on a trip. And if you need space to carry a few extra cards, check out the SlimFold Micro. We've got a full review linked in the description below. We've tested some high-powered battery banks on this channel. However, they're usually pretty bulky to contain that capacity. Luckily, there is a tiny option you can carry with your keys. The Rolling Square Tau 2 is a 2000 mAh battery bank with built-in cords and a jump ring for your keys. Since you nearly always have your keys, you'll always have a way to recharge on the go and can get an iPhone 15 to back up about 60%. To use it, pull off the top where your keys connect. It's a cap for the built-in USB-C and Lightning/micro USB cords that you can pop into your phone, earbuds, or tablet for extra power. Since it's so small, we still find it easy to use a phone while recharging, which is great for getting to the restaurant you've been dreaming about all day or back to the hotel afterward. It is on the thicker side for its capacity, but we like the convenience of always having it. Plus, the durable materials are super lightweight and can withstand getting bumped and knocked against your keys all day. While it comes with a magnetic cable for recharging, it's a bit bulky, so we just plug the attached USB cable into a wall charger instead. Plus, it includes an NFC tag and QR stickers that others can scan to get your digital details, or you can use to find it if you lose it. If you're looking for tiny toiletry containers, we've got you covered. The Cadence capsules are easy to pack, and you can bring as little as you need to save space in your DOP kit. The smallest hexagonal container holds just over half an ounce of liquids or creams, so you don't have to bring an entire bottle of hand cream if you know you won't need that much. Or leave your large foundation bottle behind and put in just a few squirts to get you through the weekend. We think the 1.35 ounce bottle works well for shampoo and conditioner, and extenders can get that capacity up to 2.75 ounces if you need more. While that's getting closer to the size of a typical toiletry bottle, the capsules are significantly more packable. They have the magnetic side so they can stick together, and the shapes slot together to eliminate wasted space in your bag. It's easy to scrape out the last bit of creams and gels from the rounded interior if there's some remaining when you head home, and they include magnetic labels for the caps so you don't have to open each one to see what's inside if you pack all the same size. Do you ever get a brilliant idea that you want to sketch or jot down while you're out? Or constantly think of things you need to remember to do? Sure, your phone has notes and reminders apps, but you still have to remember to look at them later. Or you just ignore the notifications like I do. If you're looking for an analog way to do the same thing without carrying around a separate notepad and pen, you'll like the MOFT Snap Flow. It's a notepad, pen, folder, and phone stand all wrapped up into one MagSafe package. And for something so simple, it's very satisfying to use, especially if you like to play with magnets. Essentially, it's a miniature folder made with MOFT's signature vegan leather. The front side snaps to your MagSafe phone or connects to a MOFT magnetic ring you attach to your phone case. When you open it up, you'll see a slot on the left where you can slide one of MOFT's notepads. You can get unlined, a to-do list, dot grid, or sticky pad styles. There's a tab on the opposite side to hold the paper you need to see, whether it's the next great idea or what you need to grab at the grocery store, and you can store paper notes behind it so you don't lose them. It has a pen that connects magnetically in the middle and folds into a more comfortable triangular shape. Then, on the back of the Snap Flow, a stand pops out to keep your bright ideas front and center on your desk when you work, or prop up your phone if you have it connected. Since it's credit card sized and weighs just 2 ounces, it's a great addition to your daily carry if you need to see your to-do list to stay focused or brainstorm better when writing than typing. Even if they're small, carrying chargers for every device can take up extra space in your travel backpack. That's why we like the 12 South Butterfly SE. This hockey puck-sized device is a wireless Qi 2 charger for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods case. It splits in half to reveal 2 charging spots. The half adjacent to the lid clicks into the MagSafe spot on your phone, and the one on the right can charge an Apple Watch or an AirPods case with wireless charging capabilities. You can even pop up the middle and fold the butterfly to create a stand for your watch to use it with nightstand mode overnight. It comes in 5 colors at the time of this video, each with this soft, non-slip material that won't slide around as much on a bedside table, which is an issue that we had with the other version of this thing, which comes in an aluminum case. The Butterfly SE comes with a 1-meter USB-C cord you can use with your favorite 30-watt wall charger, which isn't included. It also doesn't come with international outlet adapters like the original, so you might opt for that one if you do a lot of overseas travel. However, this tiny charger might be the right one for you if you don't need those adapters. Maybe we should have titled this video, "Get this gear if you like magnets." Or maybe the magnets just make tiny gear easier to use. They sure help with this tiny keychain, which gives you a simple way to split up your keys when you don't need everything on a trip. On either end are jump rings where you can slide your keys just like you would any other keychain. But in the middle is a tiny black cylinder with 4 tabs. If you push apart 2 of the tabs on one side, it pops apart, creating 2 key rings. They connect with strong magnets in the middle, allowing you to keep your house and mailbox keys on one side and your car fob and gym locker keys on the other. That way you can leave what you don't need behind when you take off on a trip. It also comes in handy if you have an RV or cabin, since you can connect those keys on one side and only connect the magnets when you go there. Each half is so tiny and lightweight that we have no issue leaving it on our keychain for everyday use. And the magnets are so strong, we feel both halves of the keys will be secure when they're together. So that's the tiny gear we're loving this time. What's the best small product you use when you're traveling? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.